Title: A Heroic Effort. The True Story of Saving a Plane from Crashing. Introduction. In this video, we will share a true story of how a quick-thinking pilot and his team managed to save a plane from crashing, using their expertise and teamwork. Section 1. The Flight. The flight was from Denver to Dallas, and everything seemed to be going smoothly until the plane suddenly experienced severe turbulence. The passengers and crew were jolted, and the plane began to shake violently. The captain immediately turned on the seatbelt sign and instructed the flight attendants to secure the cabin. Section 2. Emergency Landing. As the turbulence continued, the plane's instruments began to malfunction, and the captain realized that the plane's hydraulic system was failing. He quickly radioed the control tower and declared an emergency, requesting priority landing. The air traffic controller cleared the runway for an emergency landing, and emergency services were put on standby. Section 3. Expertise and Teamwork. The captain and his team remained calm and focused, relying on their training and expertise to handle the situation. The first officer assisted the captain, while the flight attendants secured the cabin and prepared the passengers for landing. The maintenance team on the ground also worked quickly to diagnose the problem and provide guidance to the captain. Section 4. Safe Landing. Despite the challenges, the captain managed to land the plane safely. To the relief of the passengers and crew, the maintenance team discovered that a bird had collided with the plane, causing damage to the hydraulic system. The captain and his team were commended for their quick thinking, expertise, and teamwork, which had helped to save the plane and its passengers. Conclusion. The story of how a quick-thinking pilot and his team managed to save a plane from crashing is a testament to the importance of expertise and teamwork in the aviation industry. In the face of adversity, the captain and his team remained calm and focused, relying on their training and expertise to handle the situation and ensure a safe landing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.